Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw the flag of Peru. You can see that I already have drawn a rectangular outlines here. Now let's divide the segments into three parts. So the white part is in the middle and the red part belongs to the left and right side of the flag. Alright. And there's a symbol in the middle. So let's draw the symbol here like a graphical presentation. It's not the wholly details of the symbols, but we always try to make it as close as possible. There are two things here. And a circle. Alright. So you can see a blue circle here and a color blue here, like a dark blue. Then the orange in this side. And a red in the bottom. There are few more details, but it's not possible to draw all these in the small surfaces. And a leaf, you can see a taller one circling the whole area here. So lots of leaves looks like this. And also on the right side, you can see another one. Okay, circling the right side. Okay, one, two, three, four. Okay, and also putting a ribbon at the middle here. All right, now we're going to fill up the two sides with the red color. Let's put the color here and make it a solid color. So left part is done. Now I'm going to put the colors on the right side. And when we put the color, we are trying to make it as solid as possible. Okay, putting the colors. All right. So this is the nice presentations of the flags of Peru. I hope you like the drawings and you have seen all the process. How did I draw? And thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you like it. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.